Thank you so much, Yuvraj sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to honor and felicitate our dignitaries and eminent personalities. May I request Professor Dr. A.V. Srinivasan Guruji to honor and felicitate the dignitaries. May I call upon Mr. Siddhalinga Swami? A token of gratitude to Mr. Siddhalinga Swami. Siddhu sir? A token of gratitude to Mr. Tyagaraj. A token of gratitude to Mr. Tyagaraj. We have with us Padma Shri Dr. Balendu Prakash. A token of gratitude to Mr. Tyagaraj. Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very dedicated. This man has religiously worked and working for this organization, and his work is commendable, highly appreciable. Let's give him a huge round of applause. Mr. Siddhalinga Swami. They say it's a teamwork, right? Ladies and gentlemen, one person cannot do anything. It's all these wonderful people, they're coming together, so working together, keeping together, and that's what is making all this magic happen. So thank you, Mr. Tyagaraj, and thank you to Mr. Siddhalinga Swami, a token of gratitude to another backbone here, Mr. Siddhalinga Swami. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Not only for this project, for the entire 8 years service he has done, relentlessly dedicated to Swamiji. That's Siddhalinga Swami. He is also educated. He's got MBA, LLB. He's a law graduate and management graduate also, MSW.
Padma Shri awardee Dr. Balendu Prakash. Dr. Hina Tabasu. Dr. Sangram Keshari Samal. Let's give him a big round of applause. Another backbone here at our medical college and the research center and the charitable trust. So, our heartfelt gratitude for all the support you've given. Let's give another huge round of applause. May I request Dr. Sunil Kumar Mishra to accept this token of gratitude. Dr. Sunil Kumar Mishra. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you. Let's give him a big round of applause.
ladies and gentlemen, those who are receiving this big memento, so they will be provided this box so they can carry easily, safely. So please collect the box.
Dr. Krishnan Dev Srivastava. Dr. Krishnan Dev Srivastava, let's give him a big round of applause. A token of gratitude to you, sir. Thank you. Dr. Srinivas BV. A token of gratitude. A token of gratitude to Dr. Srinivas BV. Let's give him a big round of applause. So, in spite of their busy schedule, we have with us the eminent personalities who have graced the occasion, who have been a guiding support for our organization. A heartfelt gratitude to each one of you, a token of gratitude from Shri Paripurna Sanatana Charitable Trust. Can we have the chair? May I request Professor Dr. A.V. Srinivasan Guruji to felicitate Mr. Tabhang Linus Kolumu, High Commission of Kingdom of Lesotho. Let's give sir a huge round of applause. We're honored to have you with us today.
We'll pack it nicely.
Thank you, sir. We are equally honored to have you with us. A token of gratitude to Dr. Wail S.H. Awad, Secretary General, India and Arab Countries Chamber of Commerce and Agriculture. It's a privilege, a pleasure to have you grace this occasion, sir. Thank you so much. We're extremely honored to have you with us. Thank you.
Dr. Awad, this is handcrafted shawl with a Swamiji's image in there.
So these are all handcrafted shawls, beautiful shawls. May I request Dr. Asif Iqbal, President, Indian Economic Trade Organization, to please accept a token of gratitude from us. Thank you for being a knowledge partner. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for gracing this occasion and making this occasion so memorable for all of us. A token of gratitude to Pramod Narayan. So request you to please come on stage and accept a memento as a token of gratitude from us. Let's give him a big round of applause. A token of gratitude to Dr. B.Y. Yuvraj. Sir, please. Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Please come. Thank you, Dr. Yuvraj. A token of gratitude to Murtada MJ Ibrahim Al Jamalani, sir, who's graced this occasion. It's come from Oman. Loads of gratitude to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We have Dr. Shivakumar from Devraj Aras Medical College. So request you to please accept a token of gratitude. Dr. Shivakumar.
We want to announce that we are signing a letter of intent for collaborative research with Dr. Devraj Aras Medical College today. It will be signed by our Professor Dr. Srinivasan. I will be signing a letter of intent for. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So the MOU signed between Sai Paripurna Ayurveda Medical College Research Center and Dr. Devraj Medical College on this momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our privilege to honor and felicitate a beacon of light, a beacon of support, our chief patron, Mr. Ivanov Alexandrovic. Thank you so much, sir. Extremely honored, extremely privileged. We're filled with gratitude, heartfelt gratitude for all the support you've given. Let's give him a huge round of applause. Yes, presenting National Bird of India to our chief patron. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the dignitaries. Venkatesh sir, request you to please come on stage and accept a token of gratitude from us. Let's give Venkatesh sir a big round of applause. So these are all our people, ladies and gentlemen, who have made it and making it possible. As I told you, you need those like-minded people, no, to come together, and that's when the great things can happen. And the great things are because of all of you. We're all like-minded and come together and believed in this vision and been an integral part of this vision. So we're really, really indebted with gratitude to each one of you here for being such great support system in various ways. May I request Dr. Prakash to please come on stage and accept a token of gratitude from us. Let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Swamiji, they all will.
A token of gratitude to Hari Prasad and Arvind, who take care of the digital marketing of Sri Paripurna Sanatana Charitable Trust, our digital marketing partners. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Prakash Soni from Ahmedabad.
A token of gratitude to Dr. Narsimurthy. Wow.
Dr. Prakash Soni from Ahmedabad. अभी सर अभी एक एक करके मैं कराता हूँ yes Prakash Soni first let's be over for Prakash Soni
K.S. Ramamurthy, sir, please. Wow.
And still we have two more people for pillars of this
Institution.
So I would like to invite Pawan Gupta sir, our director.
Mr. Pawan Gupta, please accept a token of gratitude. A token of gratitude to Mr. Prakash Soni, who has come from Ahmedabad. It's a pleasure to have you with us. Hemkant Kashyap sir, please accept a token of gratitude.
So he was managing our college administration and appointment of teachers and relations with
May I request Mr. Babu Bhai Mehta to please come on stage and accept a token of gratitude.
He's a very prominent builder.
and he's a newcomer here to our institution. Astrology is playing a pivotal role everywhere across the globe. And many people, with the guidance of astrologers, they move ahead. And in this direction, I have one person here, very eminent person. He never charges any amount from anyone. He predicts, he guides, and he ensures that their life should be in. So I would like to welcome R.K. Delibabu sir.
Warm welcome to you, sir.
Very simple down there. Yes, why not? Sir, and we have from Belarus one dental doctor, Natalia. Please be on the desk. Please.
Natalia, welcome to you. Rashmi madam, a token of gratitude, please.
Anybody?
बहुत है आपके पास वहाँ पे है तो मैं कॉल करवा
आपका आपका blessing with the shawl is more important, Swami ji.
So I would like to invite one more person when I was on the deathbed who took me to hospital, who traveled along with me from Puttaparthi up to Whitefield, Mr. Mohan sir. Please look up. It was in
Mr. Mahesh
2007.
Jangra, auditor. Mr. Mahesh Jangra, auditor. Mahesh Jangra.
Mr. Mahesh Jangra, auditor.
Two doctors to confirm. Get the names.
On this August occasion, we're also conferring honorary doctorates on two eminent personalities. Honorary doctorate in social service, and it goes to Sunny D'Souza. From International Vanguard Virtual University. Congratulations.
Some years back, some assault was there in Tamil Nadu with ladies, and he stood and raised his voice for that, and he supported all those victims. So for that, our government, what the government has recognized, and has been given a privilege for him to join hands with the party and to promote the man. So he's given the
Congratulations. Presenting the honorary doctorate next to retaking the photo.
So from our university, we are considering this, and we affiliated with the Kennedy University from Florida, and in this international Vanguard University is going to promote biotechnology courses, doctorate courses, and medicinal courses also in various streams in integrated faculty.
Thank you. Congratulations. Yeah, very first to get from the university. Next, conferring the honorary doctorate for tribal development through sports to V.V.S.N. Rao. Let's give a huge round of applause.
Regional Director of Sports Authority of India now is with us.
Thank you. Congratulations to both of you for having been conferred with honorary doctorate.